Hi, welcome to FASTag services. In this video, I am going to show you how to update IndusInd Bank FASTag KYC in online. See, this is the IndusInd Bank FASTag agent portal. So here, online IndusInd Bank FASTag KYC can be updated. For that, what are the details we need that I am going to explain. First, we need the registered mobile number of the FASTag. So once we enter the customer registered mobile number here, we will get the customer minimum KYC details. So after that, we have to fill the what are the details we need to complete it. So customer address and customer PAN number, customer Aadhaar number, everything we have to fill it. After that, here some documents is required. ID proof front side image, ID proof back side image, address proof front side image, address proof back side image, and one passport size photograph is required. So this is the declaration form. This no need to fill any declaration form. Just we need these documents like Aadhaar card and PAN card. If you provide the details, we will update your FASTag KYC in online. It will be approved your FASTag KYC within 3 to 4 days by bank. This is the very simple process. If you are unable to complete the FASTag KYC from your profile, before updating the FASTag KYC, we have to check your name and documents name. It should be match. If the FASTag account holder name and the documents is mismatched, then KYC will be rejected by bank. So before updating the KYC, please check your profile name and the documents name. Thanks for watching the video.